All right, welcome to the front end demonstration that we were working on over at scruffydragon.com for Mugen. Um, so today I'm going to just go through what we've done so far. Keep in mind there isn't too much that I can show you at this point, but the groundwork's been laid, so to speak, so it's easy to add additional features going forward. So the development's going to speed up significantly. So I'm on the Scruffy Dragon page. I'm just going to refresh this. And I want to point out the Pocket World Achievements section here. So we currently just have one achievement created called First Login. So you gain this achievement by creating a login. So right now I've created gamer IDs of Iron Man, Doctor Strange, Ant-Man, Thor, and Batman. So what I want to do now is going to go ahead and run the front end and show you how that's going to automatically update on our web page. So we'll have real-time stats, basically all the matches that get played in games that run on this front end that integrate into the website. So I'm going to go into Game Maker, which is what I ended up building this in, and I'm going to run this, and it's going to start the debug process. And we'll just wait a second for that to finish. Alright, so we're just about, there we go. Okay, so there is our splash screen. I'm going to go ahead and click enter here. The one thing you'll notice that this is not full screen. Does work in full screen, but just for taking videos, it's better to take them in smaller screen. Mugen doesn't really like, or the video capture doesn't like it when it's full screen. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click start, and it comes to my login. Now this automatically comes up. This was a design decision I put in play. I'm open to suggestions about it, but I automatically have a login screen pop up here. You don't have to log in, but to record achievements you do. I'm going to go ahead and click yes, and I'm going to create a new user. All right. So this is the on-screen keyboard, which is just you use the controller or the arrow keys to select a letter and create a login. So I will add keyboard support to this. So I'll call this one Joker. Or enter, do my password. Doesn't really matter. Go down to enter, create new user. So Joker is created. I can now select him. This will save for the next time you log in, so you don't have to create it again. It'll just be the list there. And do I want to log in player 2? I'm going to say no. So now you see in the bottom left corner here, it says Joker and CPU. This is just for debugging purposes. I'll remove that on the final version. So now I have my selections that I can go through. Some nice looking artwork. I'm going to go into Versus and Tag Team. So you'll see here I don't have any character selected. The fact that Cyclops is up is a little bug. I loaded some temporary images in there that need to be removed when no characters are here. But if I select anything, it disappears since this is dynamic and it will change based on who's selecting, like any other character screen does. So since I have nothing here, I got to go get some characters. So I'm going to back out of here, and I'm going to go into my options menu, and I'm going to go get DLC, so get some downloadable content. So I have three options here: characters, stages, and adventures, which ties into our adventure mode. I'm going to go ahead and select characters. Now, what happened is there was a little delay there, and that actually went out and downloaded these images from the net, saying that these are the available characters that are not currently loaded on this instance. So it got these little icons here and allows the user to select it. So I'm going to select Cyclops. It also downloaded this image here. We want to add some more information about the character. We'll do that at a later point. But right now I'm going to go ahead and download Cyclops. This is a downloading splash screen. I want to animate this and even center the downloading thing. It was kind of just thrown on there. You'll see it takes a couple seconds, maybe 10 seconds or so to download on my machine. Connections will vary. And then it'll say I still can download Wolverine. So I'm going to go ahead and download Wolverine. He's downloading. And once that is done, download complete. Then there are no other characters to download. So now that I downloaded two characters, I'm going to go back into my Versus screen and Tag Team. And now I have some characters down here. Now another little bug, you'll notice that the red box is highlighted, but nothing's coming up here. I have to fix that. So I am going to, as I move my selection, like any select screen, these change. So I'm going to select Cyclops, and my tag team partner will be Wolverine. So for player 2, though, I will start with Wolverine, and I will have Cyclops as my tag team partner. All right, so then I don't have the stage select added on here yet. That's really easy to add. I will be doing that probably before I let you guys beta test this. I'm gonna go ahead and click enter, and Mugen is gonna launch. All right, so that starts, and I'm able to play the game. So I'm not going to play the whole match. I'm just going to close it. Now, then it goes back to the main menu. So there's some additional sub menus that need to be added there, um, such as like at the end of a match, do you want to rematch? Do you want to go back to the select screen? Do you want to go to the main menu? If it's story mode, do you want to continue? If it's adventure mode, do you want to continue? So things like that. There's a lot of work still needs to be done on it, but I think a lot has been done and it works. All the subsystems are working for the most part. So the development, like I said before, should speed up rapidly. Now, the last thing I want to show you here is you notice, remember I logged in as Joker. I'm going to go back to the main web page, and I'm going to click the refresh button. And you'll see now Joker is down there. So it created my own. When you create your username, you earn that achievement first login. I also have first match completed, first match won. Win with flawless victory. Win 5 matches in a row, win 10 matches in a row. We can pretty much do all that kind of stuff to create achievements to make, a really full game experience out of this and give a traditional fighting game some more replay value that you'd have if you played a PS3 version or an Xbox 360 version with those achievement systems. So that is it for now. Exit out of here. More to come, and hopefully get this out to you guys soon so you can start playing around with it and find some bugs for us. Thank you.